Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I will be using my Mackenzie Charles inspired vase that I DIY'd, and I also will be doing a flower arrangement in it, okay? Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, I am grateful, and I am blessed to be alive. Okay, so I have all these flowers here. Okay, this is what we'll be working with today. I have these little pumpkin stems from Dollar Tree. I have stuff that I've had in the basement. So we have these flowers right here, and we're going to try to see what we can create with all these different flowers. Okay, I'm going with the beautiful burgundies and burnt orange and this here color orange with just like a touch of the burnt orange in it. These beautiful, beautiful leaves here, okay? And these here picks from the Dollar Tree. You can bend, I love these because you can bend these the way you want them. And they're just so flexible. I absolutely love them. So, the first flower we're going to start off with, and I already put my foam in here, okay? I just put it in there like that because by the time I finish creating this design, this flower arrangement, you're not going to be able to see this, and I have something that I'm going to use for that, okay? So, let's get started. If you're new here, please, thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you so much. If you are a returning faithful member, love you. And yes, please click that subscribe button and come on and join the family. I love to have you. Okay, so here we are. That's the first part we're going to do. Okay. Now, I think what I'm going to do is fill in. I'm going to put the dark down at the bottom. So let's go with these here. Okay. Stick those in there like that. I always like to start up at the top and come down. Okay. Now let's see. We have some of these beautiful flowers right here. I love the way they splurt out. Okay. Put those down in there like that. Y'all can bend your flowers the way you want them. You can manipulate your flowers to do whatever you want them to do. Remember that. Alright, so here we go. This is what we have so far. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is put this here flower here. I'm trying to maneuver this flower here because it came bent. And it's not really giving its full potential here. But we're going to work with it and see what happens, okay? Alright. So I think what I'm going to do is, it's so flat. Let's put these over here. Put that, bend that flower like that. Put this one over here. Okay, and bend that flower down like that, and then bend it again. I'm telling you, you can manipulate your flowers or bend them to the way that you want them, okay? So here we are so far, okay? Alright. Now, what I think I'm going to do is, let's go with these here. These flowers right here. Okay, I'm going to put those right around here like that. We have another one to stick here. Happy fall, y'all. Happy fall. It is the first day of autumn. This is what we have so far. Okay. So, let's work with these little pumpkins we got here. We're gonna stick them right there, that side like that, and we're gonna go ahead and work with this one. You can turn these the way you want it. Here we go so far. Okay, now what we're going to do is let's work with the back now. Okay, so let's put some flowers back here. I'm going to work with these here, and I'm doing the same thing that I did in the front. Just going to come on down and you know, put my flowers in just like I did in the front. Okay, so there we go. In the back so far. Okay, now what I want to do, I think I want to stick this apple right here in the back here. Right here. Just that as sort of like a filler there, okay? What we're going to do is put some more flowers in here. This flower right here. I'm going to stick some of these leaves in here. And we also have these two as well. This is really what's going to really spark your arrangement here. See how these, oh, I just love it. See? Okay. Now we're going to put this one in on this side. Place it basically the same place I placed the other one. Stick it in there. Okay. You can maneuver these any way you want. Okay, I want mine coming down like that, going across here like this. I'm just kidding, y'all. But yes, you can really just do these any kind of way you want. I had it. Yeah, I like that. Bring this one down some. This flower to act right. Now we're going to put in some of our leaves here. These here. You can tear these apart. That's what I'm doing. I'm tearing it apart. Okay, so I can stick some of these beautiful maple leaves in here. Okay, that's what they are. Okay. I'm gonna put some back here. Okay. Put some over here. Sorry for my head being in the way, y'all. Sorry about that. Sorry. Okay. And we're gonna put some oh no, it's just got over on. So I can go here. This one comes around here. All right there. So far. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some more of these these here picks that I have in here. Put that right up in there like that. Coming to the back here, we're gonna stick some of these in here like this. Just bring those down like that. Same thing on this side here. Bring those down just like that. Okay. Now we got those going in the back. I'm gonna put some of these in the front here. Okay, so here we are. This is where we at so far. Let's go ahead and put one of these right here. Find us a little pumpkin to put in there, and this is where we are so far. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and put this greenery in here to cover up the spots that you see. You know, the greenery. Okay, the green foam, floral foam, and we're just going to just cover it up. I am loving this arrangement. I think it is super cute. all we need in here. I think it's looking beautiful.